All right, YouTube, back with Mike LS. Different video, different day. So y'all already know the real Rich. Y'all seen him in the videos. He's back outside. He's back outside with a remix for y'all, right? I got the real Rich right here. So basically, I'm gonna do a quick walk around of the Jeep Wrangler, the remix for 2026 that's gonna be taking over the streets. So I did a video on this already, people. For all the Jeep lovers, or the Jeep people, the real Rich is coming. He's coming for the trophies. He's back outside and he's looking different. The real Rich is coming different for y'all, so step up y'all game, man. Step up y'all game. All right, so I got the real Rich with me. He's gonna explain basically the upgrades, what he did. I mean, he could do it better than me. So right here, real Rich, I see you got something new right here.
Yeah, so you know, for 2026, you know, I try to do something different, a little upgrade, something different.
Okay, so what is this light? What this is light right here?
This light is the dot should be a dot. There's a marker right here.
Okay.
I changed it. I put a light. It's a signal and a light.
Okay. What else you did right here?
I changed this the signal.
Oh, the side marker.
Yeah, side marker. Changed that, brand new.
Okay.
I removed the frame that was right here. I put a light there.
Put a light there? Okay,
I changed the RGB.
Okay, he did, the headlight.
Yeah, put
he got the RGB. Headlight. Okay, he did a RBG headlight, people.
On the grill, changed up the grill.
He put
do a little painting, you know. Make a little something out of the ordinary.
See some color in there, okay, custom.
Yeah, so my regular green, yellow, and red.
Okay,
you know?
Custom. I like that, okay.
And both sides duplicate. So come to the back. Upgrade the light for the back with a flush mount.
Oh, they got the flush mount. Okay.
Flush mount, so,
all right, people, y'all see the flush mount joint? Look a little bit different. All right, he coming different. You know what I mean? I like it. I like it. Y'all see that? Got the custom grill. I mean, not grill, custom rims. Y'all already know. Y'all already know his mark, DRR. Like the signature right there. You already see. Windows blacked out.
I stick it.
Get y'all back view.
Oh, the radio. Oh.
Hold on. And he did something inside too, people. I'm just giving y'all a little bit of everything right now. Know what I mean? The real Rich is coming for y'all. Y'all see right here the logo, the real Rich. I look good, I'm very impressed, sir. I'm very impressed, you look real good. He's ready for Jeep Fest. He got the lights, like everybody got the lights, as y'all can see. Got the lights right here. He coming for y'all, man. Custom wrap right here. If y'all looked at the video we had did a video when he unleashed.
And I put on some signal right on the mirror.
And he did the signal lights. Okay.
On both sides.
We did a video when you remember the video we did when you went to the rap spot? Yeah. So we got that video. I'll also repost that. Y'all can look at the videos from last year. All right, what else you did, the real Rich? What else you did?
The radio. Upgrade the radio.
Okay. All right, so put the lights on. Let me see the radio.
The radio.
Huh?
Radio.
All right, go ahead.
The radio, man.
I know that. We're going to go see the radio.
Yeah.
I know that. I'm saying. I said you got to put the lights on.
Upgrade the radio.
I don't know where your lights is at, homeboy. Put your lights on. Yeah, we going to unleash the radio. All right, guys, look. So he got that Tesla screen. If y'all know the Tesla screen, full screen for the Jeep, never seen it before. I'm not a real Jeep guy like that, but I never seen it before, but I seen the display. It's real good, it's real dope. And you know, he got the custom inside too, you know what I mean? The real Rich got the custom inside. And okay, and you already know, the real Rich, yo, you coming to kill this summer, man. He's coming to kill y'all this summer. All right, so we gonna reveal basically the light show for y'all in a second. All right, guys, so the real Rich, go ahead, real Rich, show me what you got. So he started up the Jeep, right? Now we're gonna look at these custom tail lights in a minute, right? Let's look at the headlights, people. Let's see what he got. Uh-oh. Okay, I see how you coming. I see how he coming. We gonna zoom in on this one. We're zooming on that one. You see how he coming? Oh man, people. Never seen that before, people. See how he coming? Okay, the real rich. What else you got, man? Show me something, man. Show me something, baby. Show me something. Okay, that's the regular, the LED joints. Okay, he did some LEDs there. Okay, I like how that look. I'm gonna back up for y'all. I'm gonna like that stance. Playing with the controller. Okay, he ready for Belmore, people. Believe it or not, man, he ready for Belmore. I seen some lights come on the side. Okay, let's see what that is. Let me get a close up. Okay, man, Real Rich, my road dog. So y'all already know how we coming. You know what I mean? He coming different with the Jeep game. Dig? Okay, I like that. I like that. That's different. That's real different. That's casual. That's cool. Now let's go to the back. Now see what he did in the back. Y'all see how it look right here, people? Oh man, it look real good. Okay, I never seen this before. One of one. One of one, custom, one of one, man. Y'all see it, and I'm gonna zoom in for y'all. One of one, man. I like it. I like what I'm seeing here, the Real Rich. It look real good. It's for all y'all Jeep people. Y'all Jeepers. This is how we coming. What else we got, man? What else we got? What else we got? Oh man, what? Oh, whoa, folks. Whoa. What we got here? All right, so you see how that light up, man? Y'all see the aggressiveness? Y'all see that? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. So imagine seeing this on the street, people. Hell yeah. Okay, so this is something new for 2026, I guess. This is how the Real Rich is coming. Yo, watch your back. Watch your back. Watch your back, somebody coming. Oh. So this is how we looking. Where's she going? Look like she creeping. It look like she creeping. Okay. Okay, so I like how this is going. Oh, I just seen the color. Okay, RBGs, people. Hit me with some colors, okay. I like that. I like that. So basically, you got the light show. You got the light show. That's good. When you at the car show, I see your stance. I see how you coming. I see how you coming, man. Real nice. I see it. Okay. What else we got? I know he got something else up under his sleeve, people. I know that. What he got up under his sleeve, man. Oh, whoa, sequential. Nice, nice. That's a hit, man. And look how it, look at the glow, people. Look at the glow. See how far it's hitting? I remember when we went to the Jeep show, the company that basically was displaying this, it was like an iffy situation when we was looking at it, but they was going hard with it. But it came out good, right? Mm-hmm. Remember the company? Yeah, they had like a whole different display. If y'all look into my back end videos, when we went to Ocean City, right? Ocean City Jeep Fest. Basically, you know, everybody was selling whatever for Jeeps and stuff. And this option right here, yo, they did good. Because if you look at the display on the ground, people, yo, you see what it's kind of going like in a triangle. Look, come over here. Look at the pattern. It's a pattern on the ground when it lights up. Now look, I'm just saying, but look, it's like a pattern. Like, that's what I'm saying. It's like a pattern. It's like, you got a bar here and it's like something like right there. Like,
yeah, right there.
I don't know what they try to do. They try to symbolize something. I just can't figure that out. It's a different pattern, but you gotta see it from my view, but yeah, it's a different pattern. Oh, but hold on. We ain't catch this. So basically, I see where you going with this, my guy. So he got the lights here. right?
Oh,
Look, that light up, right? Okay. I see how you coming. I see how you coming. You know what he doing? He coming for the light trophy, people. The real rich is coming for the light trophy. And when he turns it off, it go back white. Loving it, loving it, loving it, people. I'm super loving it. Super loving it. Okay. Loving how it looks, man. What y'all think, people? Real Rich, what else we got, man? What else we got for them? Huh? What else we got?
That's it.
Nah, that can't be it, man.
That's it, man.
That can't be it. Yo, what about the other lights? You said you got the Indiglo lights in the bottom?
I didn't connect them.
Oh, okay. That'll be next video, people. Don't worry about that, man. He got more up under his sleeve. He hiding out, but you know Real Rich is on the channel anyway. He always on the channel. The Road Dog. Y'all already know how we coming. So I'm gonna show y'all basically, whoever don't know the Tezzy screen, the touchscreen joint. Basically, y'all already see right here the touchscreen joint. Basically, is lit up like y'all already know. I got it in Rangel, so you know how that basically work. Everything is basically touchscreen and all that. The air control also, which is the best one to get, fully touchscreen and all that. So that's the best way to go for this year. And the Real Rich is not playing. He ready to take the doors out on y'all. I'm ready to jump out and go to Jeep Fest. The next Jeep Fest, actually, people, is it's in July, right? It's in July in Jersey, the Jeep Fest. The next Jeep Fest is in July in Jersey. That's where we gonna be at with that one. And this is where we gonna actually display the Wrangler, the Real Rich. We're gonna have it outside. And this is what we gonna be. This is what we gonna be riding out here. You know what I mean? Yo, when your lights is when your lights stayed on. Watch yourself. Watch yourself. Watch yourself. Just put it on the group. Put it back on the group and turn it off. Put it in the group. How you doing? Go back to the main D. Go where it says D. See where it says D up there? Yeah. Press OK first. No, don't cancel. Cancel. And go to the D. D. Do you want? No, why I keep on? Go to that arrow maybe across. Where the hell is the group?
Well, you off now.
Oh, now I went off. All right, so as I said, it's y'all know RBG. I know RBG. All right, but other than that, people, man, I just wanted to show y'all what the Real Rich is working with. I'm very proud of this situation. You know what I mean? Cause we gonna be outside with it. So if you're new to the channel, once again, man, this is what we doing. Displaying the Jeep Wrangler 20.
Still trying to keep up.
He ain't keeping up with nobody. Real Rich in his own lane, doing his own thing, people. Y'all heard that saying before? In my own lane, doing my own thing. But I like it, you know what I mean? I like it to the fact that, you know what I mean, he ain't overdo it, he ain't underdo it, but he did it and he made it cool and he made it necessary. He did what he did with it, which is pretty good. I can't wait to see the rest of it when it come out. So, just try to give y'all this video basically like, somewhat like at night. You know what I mean? Not too much in the daytime, but we're gonna do a daytime video basically with it. Basically lit up. Basically as I said, clean. And this is what it is.